A second, and now I'm just waiting for the next one. It is 20 minutes out or something. Yeah, it kind of sucks. There's 9 platforms and only one that I can take that actually goes to my station. So, yeah, it's kind of hot. There's supposed to be a fireworks festival tonight, so I guess that's why it's not so crowded. But, yeah, here's Hood from the station. So, yeah. Today there were no earthquakes, but it was a really long day. I taught 7 classes because one of my private lessons canceled, but it was hour after hour after hour. It's not so bad teaching-wise, but my knees and my feet aren't used to this because at my old job I sat all day. So this is the exact opposite. I sit very rarely, and yeah. So I just want to get home and relax. I didn't even go out to the bar tonight or anything. I just want to get home. Tomorrow is my Japanese lesson, so I'm excited for that. And then I have hopefully the carp game, and then Monday I have a French lesson. So yeah, and I've been telling my parents that this is a very musical country. Yeah, they just played that little thing for an announcement instead of just the announcement. There's a lot of music. I'm hoping my train will come while I'm recording, so you can hear the music that plays when a train comes to a station. But I don't know. I don't know what time it is. Maybe there's... Oh, there you go. I don't know where the train's going. It might be mine. Oh, yeah. So let's watch it come in. This is my train, and I gotta go. I'll see you later.